Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be taking a look at the iKon Motorsports rear diffuser for the 2015 through 17 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, Hellcat SRT, Daytona. So tune in guys, and if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button before you go. Hey, what's up guys? Ryan with the Hemifam back with another awesome video for you guys. In today's video, I wanted to show you this new rear diffuser that I got for my Dodge Charger Scat Pack. And this is pretty much the one that everybody wants, guys. It has the OEM style and fitment, but it still has the nice fins that come down and just give it that real aggressive look and styling.
You are watching
And to me,
Hemifam.
it looks really clean. I'm a real big fan of the fitment of the unit and the way it looks, the way it was designed. They did a really good job. No, this is not the Abaza crap. This is not the there's another one out there called CNC, and it is not this either. This particular one cost $130 at the time when I ordered it, and I think it was around $150 with shipping to my door and taxes. I will put a link in the video description for you to check it out, guys, if you want to order your own. And the fitment is about 98 99% correct. And with any of these units that I've seen, whether it be a Baza, you name it, they do not fit 100% like the OEM. You're not going to get 100% OEM fitment on any of them that I have seen in person and in photographs online, guys. But for the price, it fits really well. I think I can, adjust the fitment a little bit and get it to fit that much better. But for 130 bucks, 150 to my door, you really can't beat it. I was like, I don't want to spend $600-800 for something that is terrible, isn't finished properly, and doesn't fit. So for 150 bucks, if it was junk, no big deal, guys. But it actually turned out to be pretty good. So this is the diffuser from iKon Motorsports. I picked this one up on Amazon. Link will be in the video description. So be sure to check that out before you go, guys. So let's go ahead and, I'll show you a little bit about the diffuser. It's super easy to install. You just need a few drill bits to drill the mounting holes on the new diffuser, because they're just kind of like little plastic dots. But that's good because you can, mount it pretty custom and do what you need to and want to, if it doesn't fit right, and make it fit just perfectly. So let's, check it out, guys. Okay, guys. So this is what the iKon Motorsports rear diffuser looks like for the 2015 through 17 Chargers. And for 130 bucks, well, I think it was like 150 with taxes, and I believe it was free shipping. I mean, you really can't beat it. I've been wanting a diffuser style like this for a really long time. The only ones that seem to make one is Abaza Carbone, which I'm not a fan of. I've seen some bad stuff about his quality. Black Ops Auto Works makes one, I believe, but the problem is they are $400 to $600, and I have a real hard time spending that kind of money without knowing the quality, how good it is, the fitment. So when I found this one from iKon Motorsports for 130, I was like, well, you really can't go wrong, because if it's terrible, I mean, you know, it's not like you spent a ton of money and now you're out of pocket a lot. So for 130 bucks, it actually looks pretty good. You know, it's somewhat firm. It looks really good. The finish is pretty good. I think they said it was made out of ABS. It did have a made in China sticker, but it looks pretty good, guys. The only thing that I don't like and I may have a concern about is the fins are kind of hollow and, you know, air may catch into there, but we'll see how it goes, how long it lasts and all that good stuff. So today is just going to be a quick little install video, and you know, once we have it on the car for a few days, do some high-speed testing, then we'll give you a full report. But this is the stock one here, and I mean, it almost feels about the same rigidity. This one may be just a tad bit thicker, but I mean, they feel somewhat similar. So we'll see how it looks on the car and what exactly it does. Super easy to remove this one. On the sides there is push pins. You remove the inner pin and pop the housing of it out. The center sections here are in there with just bolts, and they come out really easy. Now the way you remove this from the vehicle is, you see these pins here, they kind of sit, they lock in the fender like that, and you kind of pull down and out, and these pins just pop out, and you pop them out along the way, and it comes right off, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here is what it looks like all mounted up on the car here. I believe they said it was made out of ABS, so you know, it's got kind of a matte but yet glossy finish to it, and I just think it looks really well and gives the car a nice aggressive look to that rear end. It really complements the spoiler, the wicker bill spoiler edition really well, might I add. And I just really like the aggressive look that it gave it, along with the stripes. But let's see if you can make that out. But there's kind of a little hairline gap right here. No big deal. I think I can fix this if I kind of pull the lip, the diffuser back a little bit. But looks, I mean, that's not a deal breaker there. There is, you know, about maybe a centimeter, you know, not very much at all space there, but being that the car is black, you really can't tell. So I mean, like I said, guys, for $130, the fitment and the part is really well. I mean, I'm very pleased with the look and fitment of it for the price. Now on the left and right side here, it is installed with push pins. So on the left and right sides, I used a really nice fat drill bit. I will put the sizing in here, and drilled the left and right portions of it with that drill bit so I can reuse the push pins in there. And the middle ones, I believe there's 4. It was just a regular size drill bit to use the hardware that they gave you, and most of it is mounted up in the OEM hardware spots. There's one that didn't want to fit in the OEM section, so it was just drilled through the plastic, and again, no big deal, but it looks really well, guys. So, you know, again, it's not 100% fitment, but I knew it wasn't gonna be. I just didn't know how close it was. So for $130, it really isn't a bad buy. So if you want to add a more aggressive look to your car without breaking the bank and, you know, a shady ordering process, you can pick this one up via the link in the video description, guys. Okay guys, that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. I really can't thank everybody enough for tuning in, all the subscribers. Be sure to smash that subscribe button before you go. Check the video description for awesome links, great information on this video itself. And check out the rear diffuser, guys. I know a lot of guys with the Chargers have been really interested in this style of diffuser, but between, you know, the price and other variables, they've just kind of been turned off by it. But look again, guys, for 150 bucks,
I don't tell you what to do with your money. Don't fucking tell me what to do with mine, okay?
you can add some awesome aggressive style to your car and make it look good. And another thing that I really like about it is 100% reversible. If you don't like it for whatever reason, you can easily put the stock one right back on. No harm, no foul. So be sure to check that out, guys. Also, turn the bell on for post notifications so you never miss a video as they go live. You can stay up to date and be in tune with all things Hemifam. So with that, guys, we'll go ahead and let you go. Be sure to subscribe, smash that like button if you like this video, if it helped you. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.